Now I want to explain a detailed explanation of my code. Now my code is with the HTML5 document structured to display a clean readable resume web page of myself using basic schematic HTML elements. Here I use a header tag and section tag and footer tag and etc. and internal CSS stylings head tag. First of all, in head tag I include that meta element and title element. In head tag and doc typ HTML declares the document type and HTML language English, the true tag with English language and meta characters charset and meta name viewport makes the page responsive for mobile devices, and title sets the browser tab title as Boga, Mamata and resume. Style block contains the internal CSS for layout and visual styling. Here CSS styling highlights universal. I use the universal selector. It may be called star. Resets margin or padding and sets box sizing to border box for consistent spacing. And body means it applies font and background color and text color etc. And in body content I use div element also. This is for this is wrapped for all the content, and header tag I use to include my name and my branch. And the content section means this means a list of email, phone and address in a bulleted list. And skill section it has a list of programming and skill languages. And strength section it has some soft skills like communication, problem solving etc. And there's some footer tag I include my name and rights reserved. And this is all about my HTML tag. In the section tag I include my strengths and my skills, communication skills. Here li means the list we have entered. Here this will come in an order wise, so that's why we use the li tag. List, that means list, order list. And paragraph I used to write my short term goals and long term goals in paragraph so that it will be appeared in a clear paragraph. And it's class education means here in this section I use it to write all the educational details, so that's why here I use the section tag. In this I use the h2 tag with some heading called education, some list, there are some list, so where I completed my BTech and where I completed my intermediate and where I completed my schooling. These are all in a list, so that's why I use that li tag. And this is called unordered list. It is not order list, so it is a unordered list, so that's why I use the ul. And here class is language. Here class is language means what languages I know that I include in this class called language. So here this section is called language section, so in this I use the h2 tag, so that means what languages I know. And the paragraph section I use it. And finally I conclude with a footer element and body element and HTML ending tags. Thank you.